Hello and welcome to Most Significant Bit, a podcast that explores the connections between engineering, technology, humanities, and the arts. I'm Perez, and today we're discussing Mussel-Inspired underwater adhesives. In this episode, I'll discuss the Mussel-Inspired underwater adhesive that's found to be 300% better than its leading competitors and better at sticking to a wider variety of surfaces. It all started when researchers developing underwater adhesives turned to biomimicry to find more effective solutions. They landed on mussels, specifically, which naturally produce their own underwater adhesive. If you've ever tried to pry a mussel off of a rock, or saw a mussel colony hanging onto the hull of a ship, you might understand just how effective their naturally occurring adhesive is. To achieve this effect, mussels utilize two proteins called dopa and lysine. Lysine acts as a repellent for their surface to be adhered to's outermost cations, allowing dopa to secure an attachment to the surface. Researchers have since been working on replicating this protein combination in a lab to produce their own underwater adhesive. Research and development of this adhesive is ongoing to produce an even more effective product. One of the biggest sponsors of this research has been the U.S. Office of Naval Research. They have been working with Mussel-Polymers Inc., one of the largest manufacturers and developers of this product, to develop the adhesive with the intention of using it to attach sensors, cameras, and other devices to the hulls of ships and outside of submarines. Mussel-Polymers Inc. also has another goal for this adhesive. Funded by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Association, or NOAA for short, they plan to use it to aid in coral reef restoration. Because it is a common, naturally occurring chemical compound in coral reefs, it can be utilized to restore coral reefs without damaging the surrounding environment. For their research in this field, Mussel-Polymers Inc. was a finalist for the 2021 Ray of Hope Prize, which recognizes those who develop nature-inspired solutions for nature and sustainability-related problems using biomimicry. Another company, Grove Biopharma, is taking this adhesive in a different direction. They have been continuing their research and development efforts with the ultimate goal of using this adhesive in the biomedical field. This adhesive could be useful for anything related to attaching things within the body, even up to organ transplants or healing broken bones. Following suit on Grove Biopharma's research, the National Institute of Nanotechnology has developed their own Mussel-Inspired underwater adhesive. Rather than having these proteins be arranged by amino acids into a chain shape, as most naturally occurring proteins are, the National Institute of Nanotechnology arranged them in parallel, with the synthetic polymer acting as a backbone for the chain. Researchers have found that organizing the proteins in this way has actually improved upon the naturally occurring protein. To quote Orberger, a researcher with Northwestern University on this project, "We actually didn't mean to improve on the mussel's properties. We only meant to mimic it. But when we went and tested it in several different assays, we actually got better properties than the native material in these settings." While this technique started with mussel-inspired underwater adhesives, researchers hope to begin applying it to other biomimic technologies known as polymer-based protein mimics. Although still largely in the later stages of research and development and early stages of applications, we can hopefully expect to see mussel-inspired underwater adhesives start to be used in a number of industries. From your hospitals to your military to helping to save your planet, mussel-inspired underwater adhesives could have a large impact on the technological advancement of a number of industries. Furthermore, with the knowledge and methods gained from researching mussel-inspired underwater adhesives, we can expect to see the same technique applied to other biomimic products to more easily and cost-effectively apply Mother Nature's years of experience to our modern technology. Today we covered mussel-inspired underwater adhesives. While this technology is still actively being researched and developed, its effectiveness and environmentally friendliness makes it a front-runner in the future of marine, biomedical, and environmental engineering. And the knowledge and methods developed while researching this product can be applied to countless biomimicry-inspired projects in the future. Thanks for listening.